Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable smooth scrolling in the Google Chrome web browser. So this feature basically allows you to animate web pages to enable more smooth loading when scrolling through page content. So if you want to turn this feature on or off, I'm going to show you guys how to make that change. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up Chrome if it's not already open. And then in the top address bar, you want to go ahead and just type in Chrome //flags. Again, Chrome, and then you want to do a //flags and hit enter. So in the search flags field up at the top, type in smooth. The best result should come back with smooth scrolling, animate smoothly when scrolling page content, and this is applicable for Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android devices. You want to click inside the drop down here, and you want to select enabled if you want to turn it on, and your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Chrome. So go ahead and select the relaunch button, and the changes should take effect. If you wanted to disable this option, you can click on the drop down and select disabled, and then again, you will need to relaunch your browser for that to take effect as well. So again, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.